Oh my God! It looks.
I've warned you. So. So. Here we go.
Here goes a V12. I'm gonna stand right back here. I want to hear it.
You're a little close.
Just make it right next to the mufflers. It looks so beautiful. The biggest engine they make? Oh my God, it looks beautiful. 6.5 liter V12. And you got all these like...
All the mechanics who built the car.
Really? That's amazing.
Blue carbon fiber.
The engineering is amazing. Blue carbon fiber.
Look. You see?
Yeah.
Down here too, you see here?
Oh yeah. Yeah, all beautiful carbon fiber. So clean. Does it have like a button that lifts it when you're going on the driveway?
Yes.
Oh wow. And this is the computer?
Yeah. Here's the radiator in there.
Oh wow. Does it have a turbo? No, right?
No.
It doesn't even need it, right?
No, natural aspirated.
How much horsepower? Like 8, 9?
800.
800 horsepower. 800.
830 because I tuned it.
Oh, really? Yeah. Oh my God. The engineering is just amazing. Unbelievable engineering. Like, wow. I love it. That's a beautiful baby right there.